Before showing the result, I'm going to start by showing you the code. Everything you're about to see is contained in a single HTML file. There are no external libraries, no frameworks, just HTML, CSS, and most importantly, JavaScript. The HTML is only used to define the structure with a full-screen canvas and a small control interface. The CSS handles the visual style, including the colors, the dark atmosphere, and the floating interface. But all the magic, the movement, the falling characters, and the visual effects are generated in real time with JavaScript directly using the canvas. You'll see that the final result is fully dynamic. The source code is available on my Telegram channel, link in the description. Here is the result. Each column of characters is generated randomly. The letters fall at different speeds. The symbols constantly change, and the trailing effect creates that iconic matrix feeling. Everything is calculated frame by frame, resulting in a smooth animation that feels almost hypnotic. Take a few seconds to just watch. This is not the parody's 9 to found. Now let's move on to the controls. The first parameter is the speed. Each column has its own falling speed, and this slider acts as a global multiplier. When I slow it down, the animation becomes calmer and almost cinematic. And when I increase the speed, the effect becomes much more aggressive and intense, reminding you of certain scenes from the movie. Everything updates in real time without reloading the page. The second control allows you to change the character size. Here, the font size directly affects the number of columns displayed on screen. With smaller characters, you get a very dense matrix packed with information, while with larger characters, the effect becomes more readable, more graphical, and almost artistic. The animation automatically adapts to the screen size. Now let's move on to the most satisfying visual effect, the glow. This effect adds a luminous shadow around the characters and greatly enhances the matrix look. Without glow, the animation stays clean and minimal. With a medium glow, the characters start to really stand out. And with a stronger glow, you get that bright neon-like effect that feels very immersive, especially in a dark environment. This is often the detail that makes people say, wow. This is not the parody's 9 to found. The animation can also be paused. When I click pause, everything freezes instantly without losing the current state of the animation, and when I resume, the matrix continues exactly where it stopped. This is useful both for observing the visuals and for demonstrations. This is not the parody's 9 to found. The regenerate button completely recreates the scene. The columns are recalculated, the positions are reset, and you get a new matrix with every click. No regeneration is ever the same since everything is based on randomness. There are also keyboard shortcuts. The escape key pauses or resumes the animation, and the R key instantly regenerates the matrix. These shortcuts make the experience smoother and more enjoyable to use. That's it for this matrix fully coded using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you want to try the code yourself, you'll find everything in the description. And if you enjoy this kind of visual experiment, feel free to subscribe because more projects are coming.